If you're looking for a tasty breakfast item that's full of flavor, satisfying, and that will help you lose weight, then you'll love our featured breakfast item today. We're making sausage and cheese egg bites. These bite-sized breakfast treats are only 3 grams of carbs each, so they're perfect for anyone on the keto diet. Eggs are considered to be the perfect food by many health professionals, and they're one of the most nutritious items that you can find. Eggs contain vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, and B12, vitamins D and E, as well as the minerals phosphorus, selenium, calcium, and zinc. We'll combine pasture-raised organic eggs, aged white Vermont cheddar cheese, and Philadelphia cream cheese, and bake them in the oven using a muffin pan. They last up to 3 days in the refrigerator, so enjoy a few for breakfast today and save some for a snack tomorrow. It's sausage and cheese egg bites in the kitchen today. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Sausage and cheese egg bites. A great tasting breakfast item that's full of nutrients and flavor. Here's what you'll need to make this low-carb, keto-friendly breakfast treat. 4 free-range organic eggs. A half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. 4 ounces of freshly shredded aged white cheddar cheese. And 6 ounces of cooked ground pork. A quick note before we start. Shred your own cheese when you can. Sure, you can buy cheese at the grocery store that's already shredded, but shredded cheeses have preservatives and anti-caking additives in them. You'll notice a big difference in taste and quality when you shred your own cheese at home. And for the ground pork, we seasoned ours with salt, pepper, and fennel seed. Fennel seed is the main ingredient that you taste in sweet Italian sausage. In a medium-sized bowl, add in your eggs and beat them with a fork or a whisk. Season the eggs with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and turmeric. Then add in the shredded cheese. If you weren't able to let the cream cheese get to room temperature, which can take an hour or 2, you can put the cream cheese in the pan of ground pork once the heat is turned off. Mix the cream cheese into the ground pork evenly. Add the ground pork and cream cheese into the bowl of eggs and cheese and give it a nice stir so that everything is mixed in evenly. As a quick note, we used aged white cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever variety of cheese that you like. Once all of the ingredients are mixed in thoroughly, spray a nonstick muffin pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Use a ladle or a large spoon to begin to fill up the muffin pan with the eggs. Every oven is different. In this small oven, the egg bites will be ready in 12 to 13 minutes. In a bigger oven, they're ready in 15 minutes. You might have to experiment on your first batch of egg bites. Also, just like cooking eggs on a griddle, some people like their eggs runny and some people like theirs more cooked. At 13 minutes in the small oven, our egg bites were slightly golden brown on the outside and creamy on the inside. Once the egg bites are removed from the oven, let them cool for 10 minutes and you're ready to serve. And there it is! Sausage and cheese egg bites. Organic eggs mixed with cheddar cheese, cream cheese, seasonings, and cooked ground pork. Only 3 grams of carbs each, perfect for the keto diet. It was delicious. Until next time, Bon Appetit.